Walking on the streets of the city, whispers in the shadows, keep it soft, keep it pretty. Smooth moves, slow grooves, bass bumping steady. Candlelight flicker, you and me getting ready. Perfume lingering, tension in the air. Fingers trace a silhouette, ain't nothing compares. Neon lights flash, heartbeats sync with the beat. Two souls in a race where the sensual meets. Underneath the stars, our love ignites. 808 thumping through the summer nights. Heartbeat rhythm, every touch a symphony. Loving in the lo-fi, pure transparency. Lips like velvet, eyes saying stay. Caught in this moment, drifting away. Chilled wine, soft touch, goosebumps arise. Flavors of the midnight, each a sweet surprise. Echoes of our laughter mixed with the rain. Nothing but a haze, my mind entertained. Fantasies and vibes carried on the wind. Bound by the night where our secrets blend. Underneath the stars, our love ignites. 808 thumping through the summer nights. Heartbeat rhythm, every touch a symphony. Loving in the lo-fi, pure transparency. Stars, rolling on nights. The stars, rolling on nights. The stars, rolling on nights. The stars, underneath the stars. Underneath the stars, our love ignites. 808 thumping through the summer nights. Heartbeat rhythm, every touch a symphony. Loving in the lo-fi, pure transparency. Underneath the stars, rolling nights. Underneath the stars, soft pieces drip, moonlight sits in velvet. Whisper secrets trembling, hands on twilight hips. Pulse down, slow jam, heartbeat singing the mist. Candle flames flicker, game, unspoken bliss. Love in the slow lane, electrify my veins. Heat wave in the cold night, pleasure distance. Your touch a lullaby, every note rains. Ecstasy symphony, drowning our pains. Silk sheets twist, bodies dance to the meter. Rhythm of desire, bass boom much sweeter. Eyes locked in a dream, infinite like ether. Whispers of tomorrow, future believer. Samples unravel of our groove lies deep. Echoes of love inside hearts where secrets keep. Slow burn passion, like honey it seeps. In the world of dreamers where the soulful weep. TR-808, heartbeat stealing moments we make. Lips trace the night, breathless love, wide awake. Raw emotion flows, no barriers to break. Inside our cocoon, till the dawn will quake. Love in the slow lane, electrify my veins. Heat wave in the cold night, pleasure distance. Your touch a lullaby, every note rains. Ecstasy symphony, drowning our pains. Midnight whispers, heartbeats sync. Candle glow, wine glasses clink. Silk sheets feel the heat, no chinks. Moaning slow, feel the links. Body language, soul unmasked. Moving close, no need to ask. Breath on neck, love unfast. Time suspended, moments last. Moody bass, satin tone. Touch the sky, inner zone. Sweat drop, mind blown. Connected spirit, flesh and bone. Bass satin tone. Touch the sky in a zone. feels like dry mind blown. Connected spirit, flesh and bone. We groove in shadows, no room for fear. Love is symphony, whispered in ear. Every kiss pulls us near. Heartbeat sync, future clear. Neon glow reflects in eyes. My bedroom's paradise, no disguise. Silhouette dance, night complies. Heaven found where passion lies. Sinking deeper across the plain. Rhythmic waves, pure a rain. Body speaks, no need explain. Echoes of love, sweet refrain. Like butter dipped in summer nights. Candles flicker, body shimmer, glowing lights. 808s drum and echo through the hall. We intertwine like shadows on the wall. Sweet lullaby whispered with a grin. Sweat glistening on chocolate skin. Placed on palm, muted sync with each caress. Every touch a note in our private finesse. We on love beneath the city sky. Lights pulsating as our hearts comply. Warm breaths mix, paint the air we share. In the sultry groove, ain't nothing we can't bear. Electric touch, bouncing off the chrome. Each beat a promise, we ain't alone. Echo moans, harmonize, symphonies so tight. Our love, an anthem in the twilight. Velvet clouds wrap around the bass. Saxophone cracks, notes escape in haste. Your lips play a solo on my eager skin. In this love jam, we both win. Neon love beneath the city sky. Lights pulsating as our hearts comply. Warm breaths mix, paint the air we share. In the sultry groove, ain't nothing we can't bear. Nothing we can't bear. Glistening moonlight, whisper on her lips. Winter frostbite, freeze but not eclipse. Past the midnight hour, we're entangled, no scripts. Satin sheets slides under fingertips. Baseline trembles, hearts sync, harmonize. Even in the shadows, her gaze hypnotize. Echoes of desire amplified, no disguise. Together we're the melody that never dies. Silhouettes dancing, bathed in soft glows. Hidden in the rhythm, secrets nobody knows. Tender touch, every moment time slows. Even in the shadows, her gaze hypnotized. Echoes of desire amplified, no disguise. Together with a melody that never dies. Heartbeat drums, she's the symphony's peak. Every kiss electric, can't even speak. A lover's lullaby, in the night we seek. Future painted gold, find what we seek. Dim lit room, wrapped in velvet dreams. Passion painting, woven in moonbeams. Her sigh's a song, sweeter than ice creams. Jazzy nights, sidesteps from mainstreams. Candlelit dinner, red wine in the glass. Silk sheets whisper every time we pass. Top down, slow drive, city lights flash. Heat rising up, this moment won't last. Moonlight glows, paint your skin gold. Heartbeats sync up, stories unfold. Chasing shadows, bodies never cold. In your eyes, secrets told. Touch me soft like a summer breeze. Feel the rhythm, set my soul at ease. Sweet temptation, love's degrees. In your arms, find my peace. Velvet touch, electric desire. Whispers in the dark, souls caught in fire. Text me late, baby, turn it higher. Hold me close, sugar, no one's required. Touch me soft like a summer breeze. Feel the rhythm, set my soul at ease. Sweet temptation, love's degrees. In your arms, find my peace. Beats echo in the silent night. Kisses linger, bodies wrapped tight. Midnight tango in the pale moonlight. Love's a song, we play it right. Touch me soft like a summer breeze. Feel the rhythm, set my soul at ease. Sweet temptation, love's degrees. In your arms, find my peace. Touch me soft like a summer breeze. Feel the rhythm, set my soul at ease. Sweet temptation, love's degrees. In your arms, find my peace. Moonlight serenade, skin touch like velvet. Piano keys whisper dreams where we've slept. Let's paint secrets, neon colors flow. Passion in the echo, stories untold. desire, heat under sheets. Bodies writing tales, heartbeats the beats. 808 bumping, rhythm of the night. Love in the baseline, everything's right. Slow grind, time freeze, moments on repeat. Liquid love spilling, tripping to the beat. Gaze cut, sharp edge melts into sight. Eyes lock, worlds bind, drown in the night. Sweat drops, symphony of our soul's quest. Soft glow, your silhouette's my quest. Sound waves pulse, bringing worlds so near. In this close embrace, conquer fear. Trap drums calling, pulling us deeper. Every touch electric, senses get steeper. Velveteen dreams, heartbeats align. Lost in each other, cosmos and sign. Late night desire, heat under sheets. Bodies writing tales, heartbeats the beats. 808 bumping, rhythm of the night. Love in the baseline, everything's right. Everything's right, everything's right. Everything's right, everything's right. Slow grind, time freeze, moments on repeat. Liquid love spilling, dripping to the beat. Gaze cut, sharp edge melts into sight. Eyes lock, worlds bind, drown in the night.
Silk sheets, vibes surreal. hearts in sync under crescent moon. Whispers in the dark, your name echoes like a sweet tune. Smooth groove, fingertips dance across your silhouette. No words, just a breath, nights we couldn't forget. Under city lights, your eyes shine, I get lost, no map. 808s thumping, heartbeats drumming in this love trap. Silk sheets, lo-fi hum, wrapped in your warm embrace. Time stops, lost in your charm. Infinite space, candle flicker shadows, your kiss soft, just velvet dreams. Body language speaks, love flows like river streams. Passion ignites, fireworks beneath urban sky. One touch transcends, together we soar and fly. Under city lights, your eyes shine, I get lost, no map. 808s thumping, heartbeats drumming in this love trap. Silk sheets, lo-fi hum, wrapped in your warm embrace. Time stops, lost in your charm. Infinite space. Melodies of midnight whisper secrets untold in the quiet hush where our stories unfold. Sensual rhythm, heartbeats write our tune. In your arms our love, an eternal honeymoon. Under city lights your eyes shine, I get lost, no map. 808s thumping, heartbeats drumming in this love trap. Silk sheets, lo-fi hum, wrapped in your warm embrace. Time stops, lost in your charm. Infinite space. Under city lights your eyes shine, I get lost, no map. 808s thumping, heartbeats drumming in this love trap. Silk sheets, lo-fi hum, wrapped in your warm embrace. Time stops, lost in your charm. Infinite space.
Moonlight dripping through the blinds, skin to skin, our hearts align. Baseline plays in perfect time, in this love a proof of fine. Whispered secrets, lips so sweet, TR-808 pulse, our heat. Fingers tracing, paths repeat, two souls lost, a steady beat. Ooh, midnight grooves under satin sheets, drifting closer where our rhythms meet. Every touch a love so deep, in this tune our hearts to keep. Lo-fi dreams on final spin, sexy chords draw you within. Heartbeats sync a promising, wrapped in love where we begin. Trap beats echo in the night, eyes locked tight, our future bright. Scent of passion in the light, every kiss the stars ignite. Ooh,